In the early 14th century, a small frontier principality in northwestern Anatolia gave rise to one of the most enduring empires in history, the Ottoman Empire. But long before its rise to global power, the Ottomans crafted a powerful narrative about their origins. At the heart of that story was ancestry. According to early Ottoman chronicles like Aşıkpaşazade and Neşri, Osman Gazi, the founder of the dynasty, was descended from the Kayı branch of the Oghuz Turks, a prestigious tribal lineage believed to trace back to ancient Central Asian nobility. This claim served a dual purpose. It offered legitimacy to Osman's rule and positioned the Ottomans within a broader Islamic and Turkic tradition. However, modern historians suggest that this lineage may have been a strategic construction. In the 15th century, as the Ottomans transitioned from a frontier principality into a centralized imperial state, their historians began emphasizing noble ancestry more deliberately. Documents and genealogies were shaped to connect Osman not only to Turkic nobility, but indirectly to great Islamic rulers, creating a foundation of both bloodline and divine favor. The narrative wasn't just internal. As the Ottomans expanded into former Byzantine and Islamic lands, presenting themselves as rightful heirs to both Turkic and Islamic traditions, helped secure the loyalty of diverse populations. Ancestry in this context became a political tool, one that linked the dynasty to past greatness and justified its present ambitions. But beyond the politics, the story of Ottoman ancestry reveals something deeper: the power of origin myths in shaping identity. Whether fully factual or partially constructed, the Ottomans' claim to noble ancestry became a central part of how they saw themselves and how they wanted the world to see them. In the end, the role of ancestry in Ottoman foundations wasn't just about the past, it was about forging a vision for the future.